need to breathe with my head underwater.
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Jalen. I'm going to be showing you today how to turn off iMessage on the new MacBooks. So if you take a look at my screen, you can either go to the bottom where you see the message icon, or go to the top right with the magnifying glass and type in messages, and go ahead and click on that. And after you click on that, a message box will pop up containing all of your message right here in this left hand corner. What you want to do now is go to messages on the top left of the screen, click that, then click preferences. So after you click preferences, next to the general tab, you want to hit iMessage. So after you hit iMessage, go ahead and hit sign out and sign out. And what that will do is cancel all notifications coming to your computer. The message will still go to your phone, but there will be no notifications on your computer, so nobody will be able to see any kind of text that pop up on your computer. And to turn it back on, you just simply reverse those steps, type in your Apple ID and your password. So thank you for watching. We're going to be sharing a lot of videos with you over the next couple years, containing web development, software development, photography, videography, drone work, and all kind of tech videos. So we want to make it available and easy to understand for beginners as well as people that are experts in their field. So we hope you like this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and if you could, give this video a share. And if you have any recommendations that you want to know or want to see, go ahead and drop them in the comments and we'll make a video for you. Thanks. We'll see you later.